What is the national bird of India? The correct option is option B, peacock. Which state is the largest producer of wheat in India? The correct option is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? The correct option is option C, Kolkata. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? The correct option is option C, carbon dioxide. Which planet is known as the morning star? The correct option is option C, Venus. What is the hardest substance in the human body? The correct option is option C, enamel. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? The correct option is option A, Kerala. Which is the highest award in the field of literature in India? The correct option is option A, Non-Fifth Award. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? The correct option is option C, solar energy. Which Indian city is called the Silicon Valley of India? The correct option is option C, Bangalore. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? The correct option is option A, dolphin. Who gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? The correct option is option A, Bhagat Singh. Which organ of the body controls all other organs? The correct option is option B, brain. Which of these is not a union territory of India? The correct option is option D, Sikkim. When was the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO founded? The correct option is option B, 1969. Which language is the most spoken in the world? The correct option is option D, Mandarin Chinese. Which planet has the most number of moons? The correct option is option B, Saturn. The Quit India movement started in. The correct option is option B, 1942. What is the study of earthquakes called? The correct option is option C, seismology. What is the full form of ATM? The correct option is option B, automated teller machine. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? The correct option is option B, Brazil. Which Indian sportsperson is known as the Flying Sikh? The correct option is option B, Mcqs. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO located? The correct option is option C, Paris. Which of the following is not a primary color? The correct option is option D, yellow. Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia? The correct option is option C, Ural. Who discovered the law of gravitation? The correct option is option C, Newton. Which of these is a biodegradable waste? The correct option is option C, vegetable peels.